You are watching A Nightmare on eLML Street. Welcome to our short introduction into eLML. eLML stands for eLesson Markup Language, an open source XML framework to create e-learning lessons. My name is Joel Fiesler, and I'm one of the responsible developers of eLML here at the University of Zurich. During the next 2 minutes, I would like to guide you through the main features of eLML and show you how we use it here at the University of Zurich. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Hopefully in the end you will agree that this XML framework is no nightmare at all. Thank you. In eLML, each lesson has its specific structure based on lessons, units, and learning objects. With the eLML XML scheme, you can check if your lesson is a valid eLML file. The scheme checks if all your units contain valid learning objects, if you defined your glossary terms that you used within your lessons, or if you listed your citations correctly in the bibliography. With XML, your content is separated from the layout. Once you created the valid eLML lesson, you can transform this lesson with one mouse click into many different output formats. Let's look at the eLML website as an example. The whole website has been created using eLML and therefore is available in the XML format. Here is an example of the same website in a different layout, in the University of Zurich layout. eLML also supports the open source CSS framework YAML, yet another multi-column layout as you see here. Using the YAML framework, you can create nice-looking multi-column layouts accessible with all kinds of browsers on most operating systems. eLML also supports both the SCORM and IMS content package format. With these formats, you can import your lesson into any learning management system you want. WebCT, Moodle, or in this example, OLAT. OLAT is an open source LMS that we use in Zurich. This lesson that you see here is part of an e-learning project called GITA, Geographic Information Technology Training Alliance. This project, here is the website, uses eLML and all its lessons are available freely under the Creative Commons license. Around 40 authors created 50 e-learning lessons that you can see in this list. And thanks to eLML, these lessons could be transformed into different output formats and imported into the partner's learning management system of choice. eLML also supports the creation of binary formats, like for example PDF files that you can see here. This is the eLML website transformed into the PDF format using XSLFO, the formatting objects. This is again the eLML website. This time we transformed it into the LaTeX format, and from LaTeX we created a PDF version. To create an e-learning lesson in the XML format, you have to know XML and you need to work with an XML editor like Oxygen in this case, or XML Spy. This might be considered a nightmare for these people who are not familiar with this technology. But we are working on an open source tool which will have a WYSIWYG front end and allow you to create, without any technical knowledge, e-learning lessons in the eLML format. Let's summarize. Here is your e-learning lesson stored according to the eLML structure as an XML file containing all your content. This file is transformed using XSLT and you get different output formats like HTML, PDF, LaTeX, SCORM, or IMS content packages. Hopefully you enjoyed this short introduction into eLML. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us or to visit our website at elml.ch. Thank you and goodbye.